For decades, the red planet has been seen as barren, lifeless, and silent. But what if Mars once held something more? Something ancient, intelligent, and extraordinary. Images taken by NASA's Viking Orbiter in 1976 revealed something shocking: a cluster of massive geometric structures in a region called Cydonia. Among them, one stood out: a pyramid, and a mysterious face carved into the Martian surface. Coincidence, or evidence of a forgotten civilization that once thrived on Mars? This is Unveil Archive, and today we dive deep into one of the most debated mysteries in human history. The pyramids on Mars. What do they mean? Who built them? And why do they look so familiar to those in Egypt? In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 spacecraft sent back thousands of images of Mars, but a handful of them changed everything. In a desolate region known as Cydonia Mensae, scientists spotted geometric formations, one resembling a perfect pyramid and another looking like a giant human face staring at the sky. NASA initially dismissed it as a trick of light and shadow, a phenomenon known as pareidolia, where our minds see familiar shapes in random patterns. But not everyone was convinced. Researchers like Richard Hoagland, Dr. Mark Carlotto, and even some NASA insiders argued these structures were too symmetrical, too precise, and too aligned to be random. When the data was processed under different light angles, the features didn't disappear. They became even clearer. A five-sided pyramid, aligned with the Martian equator and arranged in patterns resembling the Giza Plateau on Earth. Could this really be nature? Or are we staring at the ruins of something once alive? Let's explore the most controversial theory, that Mars was once home to an ancient civilization, and these pyramids are what's left of their world. Destroyed by time, climate, or perhaps a cosmic catastrophe. Some scientists, like Dr. John Brandenburg, former NASA physicist, suggest that Mars shows evidence of nuclear isotopes, similar to those left after atomic explosions on Earth. Could this mean Mars once had life, cities, and technology before it was wiped out by a catastrophic event? Others argue the Cydonia pyramids align with astronomical points, the same way Egypt's pyramids align with Orion's belt. In both cases, ancient builders seemed obsessed with the stars, geometry, and immortalizing their existence in stone. If the builders of Giza were trying to mirror the heavens, could they have been following knowledge that came from Mars itself? Perhaps Mars and Earth once shared a connection, a civilization spanning planets, lost to time. When NASA's Mars Global Surveyor revisited Cydonia in 1998 and 2001, new high-resolution images appeared to debunk the myth. They showed the face on Mars as a natural mesa, and the pyramids as eroded hills formed by wind and weather. Yet, even with better technology, questions remain. Why are the formations still geometrically aligned? Why do their proportions match Earth's Great Pyramids so closely? And why do some processed 3D models still reveal unnatural symmetry? Across the world, civilizations separated by oceans built the same thing: pyramids, structures that seem to point to the heavens, as if marking a connection between Earth and somewhere else. Could it be coincidence? Or did the knowledge, and maybe even the builders, come from Mars long ago? Until the day we stand on the Martian surface and uncover the truth, these mysteries remain, carved into red dust and stone, waiting for humanity to remember its forgotten past. The pyramids of Egypt, the pyramids of Mars. Two worlds, one mystery. If ancient Mars truly held life, then maybe, just maybe, we are not Earthborn, but children of a civilization that once reached for the stars. You've been watching Unveil Archive. Subscribe, because every mystery we uncover brings us one step closer to the truth. A truth that's been waiting for us out there.